Hello and welcome. Ever wondered how land records are managed in Karnataka? Or who decides who owns what? This video gives you a simple intro to the Karnataka Land Revenue Act, 1964. This law helps the government keep track of land ownership, handle disputes fairly, and collect land taxes in a proper way. Before the Karnataka Land Revenue Act was introduced in 1964, different parts of the state followed different land laws. There was no uniform system. Everything was recorded by hand, and often, people didn't even know where their official records were. This led to confusion, mistakes, and many disputes. This law does a lot of important things. First, it tells who owns what land and keeps that info in official records. It also explains what different officers like the Tehsildar or village accountant should do. If someone sells land or passes it on to family, the law helps update that. It also helps the government collect land tax, and if there's a land dispute, the law shows how to solve it legally. Let's see the officers in charge of land records. First is the Deputy Commissioner, they're the top officer in the district. Next comes the Assistant Commissioner, who helps with land transfers and appeals. The Tehsildar is the key officer at the taluk level, and the village accountant works at the ground level, keeping daily land updates. This law covers many land-related tasks. Officers carry out land surveys, maintain official records called RTC, and make updates when land is sold or passed on, that's called mutation. They also collect land taxes and issue documents like land maps. And if there's a land problem or dispute, they help solve it legally. You might be thinking, why should I care about this law? Well, if you're a farmer, it helps you apply for schemes. If you own land or plan to buy some, it protects you from fraud. Builders need it for clear titles, and students can learn how land governance works in Karnataka. This law affects almost everyone, directly or indirectly. Don't worry. The Bhumi project has brought land records online in Karnataka. You can now check your RTC, mutation status, or even get maps right from your phone or computer. No need to visit the taluk office again and again. It saves time and makes everything more transparent. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this helped you understand the basics of the Karnataka Land Revenue Act. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.